Secret tricks to make your ex regret losing you. I understand that breakups can be challenging, and it's natural to have feelings of wanting to make your ex regret losing you. However, it's essential to approach post-breakup situations with respect, maturity, and emotional well-being in mind. Instead of focusing on secret tricks, which may be counterproductive and potentially manipulative, let's explore a healthier approach to post-breakup situations. Understanding the post-breakup emotions. Breakups can be emotionally charged, and it's essential to recognize and understand the emotions that typically accompany them. This understanding can guide you in making more informed decisions and developing a healthier perspective. 1. Grief and loss. Breakups involve a sense of grief and loss, similar to the feelings associated with the death of a loved one. This can result in sadness, anger, and confusion. 2. Shock and denial. Initially, it's common to feel shocked and deny that the relationship has ended. This is a natural part of the grieving process. 3. Anger and blame. It's typical to experience anger, resentment, or the urge to blame your ex or yourself for the relationship's end. 4. Acceptance and healing. Over time, acceptance and healing become possible. These stages involve self-reflection, personal growth, and moving forward. The importance of no contact. One of the most valuable strategies after a breakup is implementing a period of no contact. This means refraining from communication with your ex for a specific period, typically at least a few weeks or more. No contact serves several essential purposes. Emotional healing. It allows both you and your ex to process the emotions associated with the breakup without further complications or conflicts. Clarity and perspective. Time apart provides an opportunity for both parties to gain clarity and perspective on the relationship and their own needs and desires. Avoiding emotional manipulation. No contact prevents you from engaging in potentially damaging behaviors or emotional manipulation that could harm both you and your ex. Self-care and personal growth. Instead of seeking to make your ex regret losing you, focus on self-care and personal growth. This approach not only promotes your well-being but can also lead to personal transformation, which can be attractive to your ex or potential future partners. Emotional healing. Give yourself time to heal emotionally. Allow yourself to grieve and process the end of the relationship. Seek support from friends, family, or a therapist if needed. Self-improvement. Concentrate on self-improvement. Set goals for your personal and professional development, and work toward them. Achieving these goals can boost your self-esteem and self-confidence. Physical well-being. Maintain a healthy lifestyle through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. Physical well-being contributes to emotional stability. Reconnect with interests. Rekindle your interests and hobbies that may have taken a backseat during the relationship. Engaging in activities you're passionate about can make you feel more fulfilled. Positive social connections. Reconnect with friends and family, and establish a supportive social network. Surrounding yourself with loved ones can provide emotional support and a sense of belonging. Personal reflection. Reflect on the lessons learned from the relationship. Understanding what worked and what didn't can help you make better choices in future relationships. Forgiveness. Consider forgiving your ex, not necessarily for their benefit but for your peace of mind. Holding on to anger or resentment can hinder your own healing. Maintaining dignity and maturity. Throughout the post-breakup period, it's essential to maintain your dignity and maturity in all interactions, whether they involve your ex or potential future partners. This approach is not about trying to make your ex regret the breakup, but about showing personal growth and self-respect. Respect boundaries. If your ex has requested space, respect their boundaries. Pushing or intruding can lead to further complications and damage any potential for future reconciliation. Healthy communication. If you do communicate with your ex, keep the conversation respectful and mature. Avoid engaging in arguments, blame games, or emotional manipulation. Stay classy. If you happen to encounter your ex in social situations, remain polite and respectful. Acting with dignity will leave a lasting impression and may lead to more constructive post-breakup interactions. Seeking closure and moving forward. Closure is a valuable aspect of the healing process after a breakup. Seeking closure can involve understanding why the relationship ended and finding peace with that knowledge. While you may not be able to control your ex's feelings or regrets, you can take steps to find your own closure and move forward. Personal reflection. Reflect on what you've learned from the relationship and the reasons it ended. This self-reflection can help you find your own sense of closure. Talking to a therapist. If you're struggling to find closure, consider speaking with a therapist or counselor. They can provide guidance and support to help you navigate your feelings. Acceptance. Part of closure involves accepting that the relationship has ended and recognizing that you have the strength to move forward. Future relationships. As you heal and grow, you may open yourself to the possibility of future relationships. When entering new relationships, focus on healthy communication, mutual respect, and shared values. In summary, instead of seeking secret tricks to make your ex regret losing you, prioritize your own well-being and personal growth. This approach is not about manipulation but about self-improvement and personal transformation. Whether your ex regrets the breakup or not, you will emerge from the experience stronger, more self-confident, and better equipped for future relationships. Remember that your happiness and self-worth should not be dependent on your ex's feelings, and the most important relationship you can nurture is the one you have with yourself.